Sticking together, the strength of unity. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into the phrase, sticking together. This is a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or maybe in a casual conversation. But what does it really mean? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, sticking together, is used to describe a situation where people support each other and stay united, especially during difficult times. It's not just about being physically close. It's more about emotional and moral support. When people stick together, they work as a team, share their challenges, and face obstacles hand in hand. Why is sticking together important? Well, when people come together, they can achieve more. It's about synergy, the idea that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Sticking together can be seen in various aspects of life, such as families supporting each other, teammates working towards a common goal, or communities coming together during tough times. Let's look at some real-life examples. 1. In a family, family members stick together by supporting each other through thick and thin. Whether it's celebrating successes or overcoming hardships, they are always there for each other. 2. Among friends, true friends stick together by being there for each other, listening, and offering help whenever needed, without expecting anything in return. 3. In the workplace, colleagues stick together by collaborating, sharing ideas, and helping each other meet deadlines and achieve targets. How can you use sticking together in your conversations? Here are some examples. Our team is great at sticking together and overcoming challenges. In these tough times, it's important that we keep sticking together as a community. My family believes in sticking together, no matter what. So, that's what sticking together is all about. It's about unity, support, and teamwork. It's about facing life's challenges not alone, but hand in hand with those you trust and care about. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your daily conversations. Remember, there's strength in numbers, and by sticking together, we can face anything that comes our way. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.